Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to enable night light or a comfort mode. So actually all we can do in this device is to simply turn it on or off, and you can do it just by unrolling the top bar fully and find the eye protection icon. Right now it is obviously turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on it, and I really know that on this wallpaper you cannot see the difference, but your device just changed the screen into, let's say, yellowish colors. It is in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen under dim light. So this is how to activate it. Of course you can turn it off the same way, just by going back to the eye protection and tapping on the icon. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the night light or a comfort mode in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.